ओके, तो स्वागत है एक और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो में। आज हम ब्लेज मीटर के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। सो बेसिकली ब्लेज मीटर एक ओपन सोर्स टूल है फॉर द कंप्लीट कंटिन्यूस टेस्टिंग के लिए। बट इसके अलावा और भी बहुत चीज़ें करता है। अगर आप डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पे जाओगे, ब्लेज मीटर के डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पे एंड क्लिक ऑन कंपोनेंट, तो आपको वहाँ पे मिलेगा फंक्शनल टेस्टिंग, परफॉर्मेंस टेस्टिंग, एपीआई मॉनिटरिंग, मॉक सर्विस, टेस्ट डाटा इंटीग्रेशन। सो ये सारे फीचर्स है ब्लेज मीटर के अंदर। सो ब्लेज मीटर क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म है जे मीटर का। जे मीटर आप सिस्टम यूज़ कर सकते हो और आपको एज अ वेब ब्राउज़र मिल जाएगा। आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट हाई लेवल ओवरव्यू ऑफ ब्लेज मीटर। सो ब्लेज मीटर के अंदर चार फंक्शनैलिटी: फंक्शनल, परफॉर्मेंस, सर्विस वर्चुअलाइजेशन, एपीआई मॉनिटरिंग। ओके, सो प्रीवियसली इट वाज मॉक सर्वर, नाउ दे हैव चेंज टू सर्विस वर्चुअलाइजेशन देन एपीआई मॉनिटरिंग। तो इस वीडियो में हम सर्विस वर्चुअलाइजेशन देखना चाहेंगे। तो सर्विस वर्चुअलाइजेशन का हम क्यों करें, हमको क्या यूज़ है, कहाँ पे यूज़ करना है। सो बताता हूँ। सो लेट्स गो। ओके, सो आपने एक फ्रंट एंड बनाया। जस्ट इमेजिन आपने एक ओके वाई 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 ओके आपने फ्रंट एंड बनाया, फ्रंट एंड डन, बट योर बैक एंड इज़ नॉट रेडी एज ऑफ नाउ। ओके, सो ये हमारा बैक एंड है, बट अभी बैक एंड हमारा रेडी नहीं है। तो हाउ यू विल टेस्ट योर फ्रंट एंड इज वर्किंग टिल इफ यू हैव अ टाइम यू कैन वेट फॉर द बैक एंड टू अप एंड रन। सो अगर आपको वेट नहीं करना तो आप अपना खुद का बैक एंड क्रिएट कर सकते हो। ओके, आप एपीआई रिक्वेस्ट, पोस्ट, एवरीथिंग लाइक ऑल एचटीटीपी प्रोटोकॉल्स आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। सो बेसिकली वर्चुअल सर्विस वर्चुअलाइजेशन नेम सजेस्ट कर रहा है कि मॉक सर्वर के लिए क्रिएट करना। सो व्हाट इज़ यूज, बिकॉज हमारे पास ऑलरेडी जैसे जेसन प्लेस होल्डर है, यहाँ से हम अपना सर्विस ट्रिगर कर सकते हैं। ओके, गेट, पोस्ट, पुट, डिलीट, एवरीथिंग। ओके, बट इसके अंदर क्या है कि अपने हेडर्स नहीं है। ओके, आप यू कांट गिव द हेडर्स कंडीशंस। ओके, सो ये सारे काम हमारा सर्विस वर्चुअलाइजेशन हमारा पूरा कर देता है। सो ये होगा डेमो वीडियो। ओके, सो वी विल क्रिएट मॉक सर्वर, देन वी विल ट्रिगर्ड बाय अ पोस्टमैन। Okay, then we will see the response, request and response. Okay, everything. Let's go. So first click on service virtualization. So after clicking you will have the workspace. Okay, so okay, so we have a default workspace. Okay, as of now, mock service, asset catalog, analytics, configuration, okay, we will go through this one. So there are two ways to create the mock server. One, directly using the mock server. One is asset catalog. So here you can upload your swagger. Okay, जिनको swagger नहीं पता, वो is a kind of documentation. Okay, uh, I will tell you later in some other video how to create a swagger file. Okay, okay, so asset catalog में हमको transactions create करने. Okay, so let's select our service. So as of now I have done this many services. Okay, by default you will get some few services open, like SW3 default service. Okay, but we will create our own service. Okay, so take okay, we will give this one fake data. Okay, fake data. Let's create a fake data service. Okay, save. So now our service is created. Okay, now in service we need to create a transaction. Transaction is in the API call. Okay, like a backend. अगर कोई आपको रिक्वेस्ट करेगा तो आपको एक यूआरएल मिलेगा, देन रिक्वेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स एवरीथिंग। ओके, सो आपको प्लस आइकन मिल जाएगा। ओके, एंड देन आपको सर्विस डाटा भी मिल जाएगा। इट विल बी we will cover this service data in the second video, okay, of this BlazeMeter series. So first click on plus. Okay, you will get this type of actions. So name, let's go with get post one. Okay, so we will give here get post. Okay, so here you can give tags. Okay, so as of now no tags, so light. Then the description. Okay, let's see, is there any description is there? No. So don't worry, you can give any description. Okay, so now here we need to give our base path. Okay, base path. So this not base path, header. Oh, see here, like we have slash post one, so we will give this to here. Okay, remove these extra spaces. No need to give any mocks backend URL. Okay, w.com we will get something like that. The BlazeMeter will only give to you. No worry. Okay. So as of now there is no header parameter, but you want the user send some header. Okay. So let's give some header as well. Let's give content type. Okay. So equal operator. You can do anything. Okay. So as of now, case sensitive content text match regex also you can match here, do not match regex in absent or equal to. So as of now, equal to will give uh, what post only. Okay, in header we will give post. If you have any query parameter, you can give okay credential bodies. Since it is a get call, so there will be no body. Okay, now come to response. So what you want to send the response. Okay, if you click here, we will get this response. Okay, I want this response only. Click paste. Okay, so one more thing, if you paste any JSON, okay, and if you didn't get these two options, okay, if you didn't get these two options, that means your uh, JSON is not correct for okay. If I remove this one, so just wait, it will not come here. Okay, so what you can do, if your JSON is not correct, click on this. Okay, go to JSON validator. Okay, click on this first one, paste, validate JSON. You will get okay. So if you click on validate, you will get where your JSON is invalid. Okay, so here is line number 2. So here line number 2 is missing. So we will put this one again, validate. Now our JSON is valid. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, see, you will get this option. I will tell you what this do. Okay, when we work, we'll make video on this one. Start creating service data, then we will work on that. Okay, so as of now, same here, like tags, description. Okay, response body and request header. You can from status also you can check okay what access what status it should be. Okay, as per your documentation and all. So here also we will give our okay, okay, content type applications slash JSON. Okay, so here also application. Okay, content type, not content type. Sorry, my mistake. If it is content type, then application slash JSON will be there now. But just here param. Okay, so param is post. Now a request matcher response is everything okay. Process request I will tell you in the next video. Okay, some other video, not the initial phase. Okay, save it. So now our transaction is saved. Okay, now click on mock server, go to mock server, select the service. So our service name was fake data service. Click on that. Okay, click on plus icon, create from the transactions. Okay, so we have created this transaction. Okay, in asset catalog, we will get this option. So select this one. You can also verify here. Also you can edit as well. Okay, if anything is right or wrong. Okay, as per your need, you can verify. Okay, post. Now select this one and click on this forward arrow key. So it will come here mock service transaction in this mock service. Okay, once it is done, okay, save it. Then green mock server green button will be there. Click on start. So what it will do, it will start this our mock server. Okay, now sometime it will take time. Sometime if the transaction is very less, it will be very quick. sometimes might it will take time, so we can't just you need to wait. And then meanwhile you open your postman to trigger one request, okay, and get the response to verify and all these things, okay. So once our server is status is running, okay, you will get the icon here, and here you will get the endpoint, okay, endpoint status, and here you will get the URL, okay, get call and all. So let's wait for a minute. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, okay. वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करो, शेयर कर, सब्सक्राइब करो. अगर आपको कुछ सजेशन है वेदर आई शुड मेक अ वीडियो इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी में वीडियो बनाओ, तो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. उसी के रिगार्डिंग हम आगे प्रोसीड करेंगे. सो एज ऑफ नाउ माय वीडियो विल बी इन इंग्लिश, sometime English, sometime Hindi. No issue with that, okay. If you feel any way difficulty, you face some difficulty, let me know in the comment section, or you reach out to me to my Instagram. Definitely I will going to reply you, okay. Let's wait, it is taking time. Okay, so congratulations, our mock server is up and running. Okay, here is our endpoint, okay. It's a BlazeMeter endpoint, okay. So BlazeMeter हमको endpoint दे देगा. Then if you scroll down, okay, in your transaction where you get call, so you will say click on URL, copy this URL, okay. Just remember the header, okay, param post. Now we'll go to postman, get call, paste this one, header, click on header, param, okay. Then param was post, okay. We'll trigger this one here, HTTP status 200, okay, our response, okay. What if we didn't send this param, okay. You can see the logs as well in our BlazeMeter, okay. If you go here, show logs, so you will get our logs here as well. See here, transaction 1 match true, id match id, get, see here our body and all, okay. So here is our post headers and all, okay. This is our logs, you can see logs also, okay. What if we didn't send our parent post, okay. If we didn't send our post like header value, and let's trigger this, see, no match found. So that means once we will give header, we have set the header is required, okay. But in this case placeholder, if you try without any header also you can pass, it will give you a success, no worry, okay. So here is our transaction, second transaction, okay, match not found, okay. So this is how you can create a mock server in a BlazeMeter, okay. Now let's create the post call as well, okay. So you can go to the asset catalog and then create, sorry. So now you can create your transaction here as. So this time we will create a post call, okay. Post post, okay. So this one will be the post, and this will be slash posts, slash posts, okay. Slash post header, you can say send any headers, okay. Let's see our post, okay. With post what we will send, okay. Let's select this two. We need to send something, no? Okay, header will give application, no, not this one, will give content type to application slash JSON, okay. If you are using XML, you can do that same with XML as well, okay. There is no query parameter. Now header, okay. So you can match here, you will have the option, okay, what you want to send, equal to XML, equal to JSON, okay, anything. So as of now we will go with the equal to JSON value, okay. And we will send this, okay. So user id 2, let's say id 2. Okay, test body post. Okay, so this is our post. Let's see, this is wrong. Let's validate this JSON first. See here, our JSON is not valid. Okay, that is why we are not getting option. Let's validate again. Okay, correct. Paste this one. Now everything is right. Request and response. We want same response. Okay, request header. Here same content type application slash JSON. Okay, here let's see, we have give 201 created. Okay, let's modify something. Okay, we will not give the user id. User id we will give, we will not give the id. Okay, it should be different. Correct. Yeah, save this one again. Oh, sorry, my mistake, I forgot to give the name of the transaction. Okay, so name should be post posts post posts. This is what now, posts. Okay, save, click on this, move to the other side. Now click on update. So we need to wait for the configuration. Okay, once we will get, meantime let's open another tab. Okay, so in header it is a post call. In header it is a content type. Content type is application slash JSON. Okay, body JSON. So our body, yeah, now ours is up and running. So I need actually body whatever we are sending. We'll copy from here. Okay, let's go paste here. Okay, header is done. Now only the URL is done. Okay. So copy this URL, go to here, post. Now trigger a request. See here, 201 created, user ID 2, ID and all. Get success. See, and if you go and check your logs, you will get the log as well. Transaction 1, see here post, yeah, see post, our transaction is there. Correct. So we get the logs. Okay, so what is the use of this? Okay, you can create your virtual server for the your front end. Okay, as of now, and if you want to do performance testing for some application and you don't want to hit the backend, and for that also you can use this mock servers. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will reply over there, and you can reach out to my Instagram. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and give some suggestions as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.